Participants with corrections to the 2020 statistical areas must use GUPS to make their corrections unless they are a tribal partner using paper maps. Participants using GUPS must update their version of GUPS from the delineation phase to a newer version that is programmed to run on the QGIS 3 Madeira platform instead of QGIS 2 Las Palmas platform. The Census Bureau bundled the update for GUPS and QGIS into a single zip file that is available for download from the PSAP website. No software installation DVDs are distributed for the verification phase. You may also refer to Chapter 5 in the 2020 Census PSAP Verification Respondent Guide, G810, or in the 2020 Census PSAP Tribal Respondent Guide, G690, or Section 4 on page 4 of the PSAPV Standard Statistical Geographies Quick Program Guide, Q910, for step-by-step instructions on how to download, install, and use GUPS. In order to download the newest version of GUPS, open a new internet browser window and navigate to the PSAP website or click on the link in the verification announcement. Once on the website, scroll down the page to the 2020 Census PSAP Verification Materials section to locate the Download the GUPS link. Click the link to download the file. Click Save As and choose a specific folder on your local computer to download the zip file. Navigate to the folder on your local computer where the downloaded zip file resides. Double-click the zip file to unzip and extract its contents. Once all contents are extracted, follow Table 7 in the 2020 Census PSAP Standard Respondent Guide, G810, or 2020 Census PSAP Tribal Respondent Guide, G690, starting from Step 4. Tribal participants can use paper maps to correct the 2020 statistical areas. Following the review of the 2020 statistical area boundaries and the identification of corrections, follow the instructions in Part 2 of the 2020 Census PSAP Tribal Paper Respondent Guide, G700, for making corrections. The same delineation phase instructions apply to the verification phase. Prior to making any correction to the 2020 statistical area boundaries on the paper maps, ensure the corrections result in statistical areas that follow the respective statistical area thresholds, requirements, criteria, and guidelines outlined in the respective chapters in Part 1 of the 2020 Census PSAP Tribal Paper Respondent Guide, G700. Refer to the specific chapter or chapters in Part 1 that applies for your type of tribal area or areas. Tribal census tract details are in Chapter 2. Tribal block group details are in Chapter 3. Census Designated Places, or CDP, details are in Chapter 4. Alaska Native Village Statistical Areas, or ANVSA, details are in Chapter 5. Alaska Native Regional Corporation, or ANRC, information is in Chapter 6. Oklahoma Tribal Statistical Area, or OTSA, and OTSA Tribal Subdivision details are in Chapter 7. Tribal Designated Statistical Area, or TDSA, details are in Chapter 8. State Designated Tribal Statistical Area, or SDTSA, details are in Chapter 9. State American Indian Reservation, or SAIR, information is in Chapter 10. Most of the chapters align to specific tribal area types, except for federal American Indian reservations. They should review Chapter 2, Chapter 3, and Chapter 4 as applicable. Refer to Table 5 in the 2020 Census PSAP Tribal Paper Respondent Guide, G700, for instruction on the proper pencil color to use when making corrections to the verification maps. As with the delineation phase, colored pencils are included in the verification phase material shipment along with the paper maps. Refer to Chapter 12 in the 2020 Census PSAP Tribal Paper Respondent Guide, G700, for instructions on updating the paper maps with corrections. Proceed to Part 3 of the 2020 Census PSAP Verification Tribal Respondent Guide, G800 for instructions on shipping the updated paper maps to the Census Bureau. If you have any questions regarding how to use paper maps to review your 2020 tribal statistical geographies, please email geo.psap@census.gov or call 1-844-788-4921.